here I am, digging in this hard packed soil. Every time I put the shovel in the ground, I push down, you hear a crunch. And notice I can't take big shovelfuls, I had to take thin slices. This is really difficult for me because I also have gout, which is a painful condition in the feet. My uric acid is back in line with what it should be, but I'm having taken off a lot of allopurinol. So every time I put my foot on a shovel, push down, it's an excruciating pain. Then I go in at night and I sit down, I put my feet up, oh my goodness, the pain sets in. And because I'm on Eliquis for blood thinner, I can't take anything for the pain. NSAIDs are out. You can see how hard the ground is. I can barely get the shovel into it. When I go breaking out these little clots, the main reason I'm breaking them up is because the little green weeds, they're real thick, close to the ground surface, but below the ground they have these huge roots. So I have to break them up, throw them over to the side, get them out of there. Don't have to worry too much about grass because there's not much grass growing. Later in the summer, if I turn the water on, leave the water running all day, I'll have green grass, but then I have a huge water bill. The guy that lives behind me, his water bill was $300 just for watering his lawn. He has it separate from his household uses. My mother would have a hissy fit if she were alive to see me digging out there, because every time I turn over a clot, she'd say, "You need to break that clot of dirt up." I'm not too worried about it because I'll bring the rototiller out and chop that stuff up real good, up and down the length of the bed and crossways. I think this is about the time I decided I'd have enough for the day. So this is going to be the end of phase 2. Have a good night.